My name is Sowder. I've been at Newcomb Spring on and off now for 12 years, since I was 18. And my job is I'm a coiler, so that means I get a blueprint and I set up a machine with the tools to run the job, and I write the program to run the job. The Shinko is a spring coiler, and it does some wire forming. So this part here, the coiling part would be through the body, um, where the part just wraps around, but the wire forming part would be where it wraps the hooks. And the Shinko is unique from a regular coiler because it can make the hooks, and then it's also has a advantage over a wire former for these specific parts because it can do it faster and it can do the whole process start to finish without having to go through secondary process in a different part of the shop. So all of the parts that I've made on the Shinko so far have been for tractors, lawnmower parts, or trampoline springs. Might be as simple as when you turn the blades on your lawnmower, that spring engages the blades for you. Coolest spring that I make, to me, it's not that unusual of a spring, but trampoline spring. Because if somebody asks, "What do?" You say, "I make springs." They're like, "Oh," and you say trampoline springs. They're like, "Oh, okay, cool. I know what that is." So trampoline springs is probably the coolest one I make because it's something you can tell anybody that's around, and they're gonna know what you're talking about.